Statistics GH. We are going to see how to use that is the Ras SBA report for this particular term, which is term 3 of 2024. Okay, so if you open the software, this is how it's going to be. You key in your password and then your username. Okay, so you come to that is the students. You click on the registration. You click registration. Then I've already registered some few students over there. So you go to new, then you key in that admission number, title, and the rest. You fill all the details here. And also the already existing one, you are just going to change it, right? So assuming that is Frank Abukri, then you change it to your student's name. So these are the tabs that you are going to use. Okay, and also when you double click here, you remove this one first. You go to remove, then you come to add. So if you click on add, it will send you to your, that is your local PC. That is, so you select where your student's passport or your pictures are. That's the student pictures. Then you double click on it. It will automatically pop up here. Okay. So let's do something. Assuming I want to replace this one, go to add. So let me see pictures. Okay. Okay, so you double click on this, you click on OK, so it will automatically pop up like this. So this is the admission number or the ID number. So the system automatically generates ID number for each student. The moment you register the students, it will automatically generate the ID number for them. So you see the ID number on top. So after you are done with this, you click on the close, you come to the subject. So it will ask for the class, that's the BX7. And then if their class is single, according to the registration, you see all those things. Then the year, that is 2024. So you have to tick all the subject that you do. So we don't do French, so that's why I didn't tick the French. So that means that it won't pop up when I want to enter the, that is the scores. Okay, so you come to the scores. So here, that the year is 2024. And then the class, click on the arrow. That is BS7 single, and then the term is term 3. Enter marks. So you see when you click on the English language, the class score will come maybe 34. And this one, okay. This one maybe I just want to enter something. Okay, this one too. Good. So you click on the RME, it will pop up. When you click on the French, nothing pop up because I didn't tick the French, because we don't do French. I didn't tick it. So when you come to Ghanaian language, okay. Oh, so the marks shouldn't be more than 50. Keep in mind. Okay. So social shouldn't be more than 50. Okay. Oh no. Okay. So after you are done, you click on the save button. Okay. So you come to the BS82, the same thing. The names will pop up. Then you start entering. That is their details. Okay. So the next one is the remarks. Close this one. Come to the remarks. Then select the year, the form, the class if it is single, and then the term remarks. So you see their total scores over here. For you to, the total attendance is maybe this, the class conduct, attitude, interest. You see, okay. So if promotion to BS8, and then the total attendance, okay. Then promotion, okay, this one too, total attendance. Let me see this. Okay, you just select them. Okay, so you save it, then you close this database, that particular page. Then you come to the next one, BS8. So because I didn't queue in any marks, it won't pop up here. So I left that one for you to see something. Because I didn't queue any marks, nothing pop up here. That's the way I used or I designed it. Okay. So after you are done with this, now for the remarks, if you want to enter some of the remarks, assuming some of the remarks are few, like let me show you this one. When you come to the head teacher, I queue in only 2. So if you want to add that one to you come to the settings, then you come to the remarks, then class teachers. So this one, that is saved, new, previous, and the rest. You will delete. If you want to see the previous one, this is the previous one I've inputted inside. And these are the remarks. So you can add the remark. When you click on it, the page will pop up. If you type that particular remark, you click on the save, you come to new. So that is that. Let me close it. Then you come to the total attendance. So assuming the total attendance is maybe okay, 57. And next time when you click on it, you see a calendar year. So assuming we are going to open school on September 10th. Okay. So you click OK. Now this is the school info. That's the few info that you can change it. Okay. So after you are done with the total attendance and then the remark side of this, you come to the report. You want to view the report, you go to the current report. Now, you select that particular one. Okay, this is the year, class, term. So you can view the report, you can save it as PDF, and you can also save it as what? Excel. Okay, so the first one, let's view as. So it is populating all the scores and also arranging it in ascending order according to the first position and the rest. Okay, so now the first position, the person picture will pop up here. All the school addresses will be on top. People's terminal reports, we have the admission number, we have the student name, everything inside, promotion or promoted to, term 3, everything intact. So the total position is first, the total score is 225 according to those I queue in, and then the remarks, everything will pop up here. Because you don't do this, you see the 00, and then the total attendance of that particular out of the total, and the next term begins with the date that you selected, all the conduct. So after that, then you can print it straight. Okay, so if you want to see the next person one, so you come here, you click on next page. So the second position will pop up, that is Franka Bugri, that is my image there, that is Ras. Okay, and then everything with your total mass will be there, and then you come to the next page. So the next page is what? Ras entry, my image is still over there, and then because I also choose it again. Okay, so that is the reports of that particular student. Now you can view it as PDF. The moment you click on save as PDF, it will automatically add all the students' reports to save it as one. And it will also create a folder on your desktop for you to go there. Then you see report has been exported to PDF successful. So it will export all their reports in a PDF format for you to see, and it will also create a folder on your desktop for you to see that one. The same thing as save it as Excel, it will create a folder on your desktop for you to see it, and the folder name will be that is the reports. And also when you open that particular folder, you see the year, the class, and the term for you to identify each of them. Okay, then we have the class broadsheet. That one too, you can select it, view broadsheets. So that's the broadsheets in ascending order. Okay, and we also have, you can also save that one as what? PDF. Now, after you are done entering everything, what you have to do is you come to the class list. For the class list, when you click the picture, it will help you to view it. Okay, and you can also save it as PDF. It will create, that is a folder on your desktop called class list. Then when you go in, you see all the classes. Now this particular line, all classes, it will save all classes as PDF, export to Excel, and all the info to Excel will stay on the same folder. And this particular one will ask for that is particular class. So let's see something. When you click here, the year 2024, those who are active, and also the term is term 3. So you see, this is the class list for all, right? So it will separate them, BS7, BS8, and the rest, all the sheets, and these are their serial numbers. Okay. Now, with the gender, date of birth, and the rest. Okay, and then particular class, let's see, 2024, BS7, active, single. So term 3. So this is the particular class for just BS7. Okay. Now, after you are done entering all their names, what you have to do is you have to come to SBA sheet. That's the most important thing you have to do before. When you come to the SBA sheet, it will ask for the year 2024, BS7, and then active, and then the class we are single stream, the term is term 3. So you see, all their names will be here. So you, after you are done entering, that is the names, you have to give this one to the teachers. So that particular teacher will write the subject, and then the teacher's name. So the test 1, test 2, group work, and then project work, all sum up to 50. And then the exams, after you are done writing the exams, the person too has to what? Fill it. The exams divided by 2. So if it is 70, 35 will be here. So you, the IT teacher or the person that you want to enter the details, the teachers will submit this particular sheet to you for you to queue in. So the moment you get it, you are going to queue in. That's the class score and then the exams score. Okay. So now after everything, you can come to the SMS. For the SMS, let's see, BS7, term is term 3, 2024. Now, it will be like this, but you can't send anything because this one is not the full database. So if you want to send the SMS to the parents, then you have to purchase the full database from Ras SBA. So the moment you click on this, a certain page will pop up for you to key the number, then you send it. So that is that. If you want to use the SMS as well, so you have to purchase the full one. Otherwise, you can't do anything on this particular sheet. So we're done with the settings and everything. Logouts. So if you want to contact Ras SBA for your database, this is the number. That is Ras SBA 0245 938900. You can see me on YouTube, or some of the tutorials are on YouTube. That is Ras SBA. And then the WhatsApp, you can chat me on this particular number so that I'll add you to our WhatsApp group. And our next tutorials or trainings will be on website and the rest. So try to be in that particular group, that the Ras SBA family, for you to know more of the ICT. Ras SBA, all the way to IT. We'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.